Let me go. I don't wanna be your hero. I don't wanna be a big man. I just wanna fight with everyone else. Your masquerade. I don't wanna be a part of your parade. Everyone deserves a chance to walk with everyone else while holding down a job to keep my girl around, and maybe buy me some new strings and her a night out on the weekend, and we can whisper things.
I'm going to show you how we simulate the tendons and the muscles that they are represented by fishing line. So we get the fishing line stuck in here in the tip of the finger, and then it goes through this channel like this, and it's going to simulate this tendon. So we have a finger. Yeah. It does twist.
Yeah, we have to tie it. We have to tie it down.
But it's working alright.
So, all right. So we can try this again.
Tens que ser tu mesmo a meter isso.
All right. A little further in. Good. Yeah. Good. Good. Pull. And we're going to do this.
This.
So like there. There you go.
Boa!
Oh, yeah.
E agora dá uma voltinha. Dá uma voltinha.
Yes, let's go.
Olá, eu sou o Nuno e esta é a minha solução.
Qual é a tua? Participa no Challenge Day da Patient Innovation em www.patient-innovation.com. Participa!